Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Outdoorsy app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Outdoorsy is a mobile platform designed for renting and booking recreational vehicles, RVs, and campervans. The app provides detailed listings, real-time availability, secure payments, and insurance options, helping users find the perfect RV for trips and adventures. It also supports messaging with hosts, trip planning tools, and personalized search filters for tailored experiences. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its clean interface, easy booking process, and wide selection of RVs. It allows travelers to plan road trips conveniently, communicate with hosts directly, and manage bookings all in one place. Many users also like the built-in trip planning tools and flexible rental options. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional delays in host responses, limited vehicle availability in certain areas, and minor glitches in the booking process. The experience may vary depending on location and demand, so careful planning is recommended. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Outdoorsy app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient, flexible, and reliable way to rent RVs and campervans. It shines in usability, safety features, and trip planning convenience. However, if you need guaranteed vehicle availability in all areas or prefer in-person booking, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.